Howdy everyone, Lindsey Barker, Optima One Realty. Just welcoming you all to my new listing in Groveland, Florida, 12960 Cooper Road. And welcome to the farm. Come take a tour with us.
Here's your chance to own a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm we have some animals, E-I-E-I-O. With cows here and pigs there and lots of goats everywhere. Here's your chance to own a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Welcome to this amazing 10-plus acre farm that's ready for new owners to take over. This property consists of 10.33 all high and dry acres with septic, well, and irrigation already on site. Not only does this property have a mixture of animals that's included, it also has fruit and vegetable trees planted throughout the farm and ready for each season to harvest that can be income producing for new owners. This dream that's been well maintained has all the fences sectioned off and placed to add more animals of your choice. If you've ever dreamed of owning a farm, now's your chance. Property has no HOA, and you can have the opportunity of building your dream home or two homes on the property with no builder ties or restrictions. Also included in the sale, you have 2 separate sheds with attached barn and carports to store your farm equipment and storage needs. A 2014 travel trailer fifth wheel 4x4 that offers a bedroom and a bathroom with kitchen, living, and laundry room with washer and dryer located on the property. The property does have an older manufactured home on site that has little to no value and will be considered a teardown. Great location and close to all shopping, restaurants, and major roads and highways. Schedule your showing today.